Hello everybody, these are Fuaro cylinders, Fuaro R600 series. This is such a thick key here. It's a standard profile, but the key is thick. You can see it even if you pay attention that the keyhole is thicker here. If you insert a regular tool, it wobbles a lot. It wobbles a lot and doesn't open easily. So it's better to use this kind of tool. It's the best tool for opening Fuaro cylinders. Most often we use 0.05 mm foil, regular cut foil. Here we make a shape on the back side. We either work left and right or tighten. Often we work left and up and down. If it jumps, we flip it with a sharp movement. Well, that's basically it. Fuaro R600 series 0.05 mm foil is generally the best choice here. The price of the tool you can find on our website, the link is under this video. Bye!